Hi guys, how are you? I'm back with a web application. It's a free web application. Using this web application, we can upload a file to S3 bucket, or we can download a file from S3 bucket. We can view, we can see all the available files from S3 bucket. We can do three operations: upload a file, download a file, see available files in S3 bucket. So this is the URL to use this web application: https://s3-bucket-uploads.herokuapp.com/login. This is a web application URL to use it. When you enter this URL in browser, it will give you this screen: upload download files to or from S3 bucket. It will ask for username and password. If you are using this application for the first time, you need to sign up for this web application. To sign up, click on this sign up button. If you click on that sign up button, the screen will be like this: create new account. You need to pass your username for this web application, email ID, and the password for this web application. So once you enter all these three details, click on create account. All these three fields are mandatory: login username, email ID, password. All these three fields are mandatory fields. You need to enter all these fields. Once you enter, click on create account. Once you create account, go to the login page, go to this URL again, go to this s3bucketuploads.herokuapp.com/login URL. It will give you like this, and log in with your newly created username and password account, with your new account basically. So once you enter your username and password, click on login. Once you log in successfully, the screen will be like this: upload or download files from to or from S3 bucket. And at the top right corner, you can see logged in as your username basically, for your username of this web application. Logged in as this user, and you have an option to log out of this application as well. If you click on this logout button, you will be logged out of this web application. For the session will be ended. And you have three options to select: upload file to S3 bucket, download file from S3 bucket, view available files from S3 bucket. If you click on upload, if you want to assume that you want to upload a file to S3 bucket, just click on this upload button. Once you click on upload button, the screen will be like this: upload file to S3 bucket screen. And the same, your username will be displayed here, and you can log out of this application whenever you want. Here, select input file to upload. You need to choose a file uh, which you want to upload to S3 bucket, and enter your output file name which to be saved in S3. Basically, you need to enter output file name with which the input file will be saved in S3 bucket. If the output file name is same as input file name, you can enter the same name as well. There will not be any issue. You need to enter S3 bucket access key. You need to enter S3 bucket secret key. You need to enter S3 bucket name. All these three details are mandatory. And when you are entering access key, this field is a password kind of field, so you can't see the actual letter. You can see a dot. like it's a password, so it will not be visible. And here you have an option to upload a file to subfolder as well. If you have subfolders in your bucket, and if you want to upload to subfolder instead of the bucket, you can give a you can select S here, and if you click on S, this extra parameter will be shown you. You need to enter subfolder name here. So assume that you have a subfolder ABC inside your bucket. Then you need to enter ABC slash at the slash at the end. The slash is mandatory at the end of this option. Let's assume that in your bucket you have a subfolder ABC. In that subfolder again you have another subfolder DEF. So if you want to upload to that folder, then you need to enter ABC slash DEF slash. Slash is mandatory at the end. So if you don't want to upload a file to subfolder, if you want to upload a file directly to the bucket, then you can select no here, and then you can click on upload. If you click on upload, if the file successfully uploaded to S3 bucket, this message will be appeared: upload file to S3 bucket. File successfully uploaded to the path. Here the bucket name and the subfolders, if any, it will be shown here. Here in the screen I have smudged it here because it's a sensitive information and I can't show it to others. And here total elapsed time. This is the time taken to upload a file. Once you upload, if you want to see the uploaded files, you can click on this view all files button. If you click on this view all files button, it will be displayed all the available files from that bucket along with their size and the last modified date. Again I'm repeating, if you click on view all files button, it will be displayed the file name. Basically the file names will be displayed from the S3 bucket along with that file size and the last modified date. And here if you want to download a file from S3 bucket, you can click on a download button here, and if you click on the download button, the screen will be displayed like this: download file from S3 bucket. Here logged in as your name, and the logout button will be there. So here you need to enter S3 bucket access key, secret key, bucket name. So once you enter all these details, click on view files. If you click on view files, it will be displayed all the files, and you will see a option to enter a file name to download. You need to enter file name as it is, which is shown on the screen. So if assume that I have a file in ABC subfolder, ABC slash the file name will be displayed on the screen, and you need to enter that complete ABC underscore file name, that complete file name to download it. You will see a text box to enter a file name. So once you enter, click on download. That will be the file will be downloaded to your local. So we have seen how to upload, how to download using this web application, and we have an option to view all the available files in this S3 bucket directly. So once you click on view, it will be asking your access key, secret key, and bucket name. Once you enter all these details, click on view files. Same, this view file will will be displayed all the file names along with their size and the last modified by. Once again I'm repeating, by using this application you can upload a file, you can download a file, you can view all the available files in S3 bucket. And one more important thing is there is no limit in uploading a file to S3 bucket. You can upload any size of file, but the upload time will be based on your network speed. Basically, because it's a web application and everything is based on your network speed. And you can see all the instructions to use this web application here in this blog, KLN technical solution.blogspot.in 2016-11. This is a URL basically to get the instructions of this web application. This will give you with the screenshot. This will show you like this. See how we can enter all the with the screenshots. It will be shown here. Okay guys, hope this will help you in your daily activities, and we'll meet again with the new application. Thank you.